Let's walk through how you can use BasicOps to integrate with Box for seamless collaboration. Marlo is ready to send her engagement campaign over to Kieran for review. She selects Under Review and adds Kieran as the reviewer, along with a quick message requesting feedback. Next, Marlo goes to the File section, selects Add from Box, and chooses the document she wants Kieran to review. After a moment, the document uploads and she submits it for review. Now, it's ready for Kieran to access. In Kieran's workspace, he can view the document by selecting it directly. For added security, he'll confirm his access, then open the document to leave his comments. Once he's done reviewing and leaving his comments, he'll exit, and once he exits, he'll mark the task as reviewed. And then, going back to Marlo's workspace, we can immediately see Kieran's feedback once Marlo selects the document. And that's it. With BasicOps and Box, you can easily share, review, and provide feedback on documents, all in one smooth, efficient workflow.